Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing dress4u.pages.dev. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So it's also called D4y.site, and basically it's a scam site. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And for example, there's a game in Roblox called Dress to Impress, and in the game you can get various clothes. However, you do need to pay for them with Robux if you want to get these special clothes and a VIP. So, what this site claims is that they have free VIP and free makeup and free clothes in the game for you to claim, which is too good to be true, since how can they send that to you when you're just entering your username? So as you can see, malwaretips.com goes over how the scam works. So there's an overview of the scam, and they also go over how the scam works right here. So advertising is a free Robux offer, prompting users to input their username, taking users through verification, never receiving the promised Robux, and too good to be true Robux amounts. So like 50,000 or 100,000 for free, which is more than too good to be true. So take note, if you're a parent, please watch your child playing Roblox, since they might get scammed into this and enter in your card information on your phone. So please be wary of that. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.